How to pin comments on YouTube Shorts. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you pin comments on your YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to just open the YouTube application on your system. Alright, after you open YouTube, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from your at the top, just below of your YouTube channel, you'll have to tap on View Channel option. Okay, so from the profile section, you'll have to just choose for the short from where you want to pin a comment. So I'm choosing this random short here. Alright, after you choose the shorts, you'll have to tap on comment icon. Okay, so from the comment section, you can easily find all of the comments on your YouTube shorts. So from your to pin and comment, you'll have to just tap on the option three dot just at the right hand section of that comment. Alright, after tap on that, you can easily find the options like pin here. So simply tap on that option pin. Okay, the pin feature has been an advanced feature of YouTube. So to access that, you'll have to just take a 6-second video of yourself, take a photo of your ID, and as well as build a history as you grow. And after you do all of the settings to get advanced feature on YouTube, you can easily find your pin feature on your YouTube. So simply complete this procedure from here, and after you complete the verification on YouTube, you can easily, as it is, tapping on the three dot, and you can easily pin this comment on your YouTube shorts. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.